What's up guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. One thing I really like regardless of the silhouette is a good effort on the collaboration. M&Ms collaborating with Adidas Forum Low? Yep, I'm in. Let's take a close look at it. I think you can count this as a Halloween release. It's probably the main reason why this was released in October. I'm sure most people will overlook this one, given that it has a lot of M&M branding on it and it doesn't really look wearable based on the product photos online. But if you can look past all of that, you'll find a really nice colorway underneath. And it's actually easy to look past that because they're all removable. To the point that the only real M&M branding you'll ever see is the perforations shaped like the letter M in the toe box. With all of that branding stripped away, you'll see how beautiful and wearable these sneakers are. The material is mainly composed of this smooth and shiny leather, almost patent leather-like. Maybe it is patent leather, but I'm not sure. I wonder how they would look once they're all worn out and all creased up. But as it is right now, it's beautiful. There's a total of 6 laces included in the box, which is insane and always welcome. Gives you a lot of options to play with. Aside from the laces, there are a whole bunch of M&M branding elements included with the shoe as well. From the Velcro strap branding on the side panel, the M&M wings on the eyelets, and a whole slew of Dubre options. Don't be fooled by all of the brandings you see here. You can strip all of them out to reveal a very beautiful looking sneakers with a solid colorway. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, and follow me on Instagram.